If your toilet is constantly running water but you don't see any leaks, it's usually because the flapper or fill valve needs some attention. So, first things first, check the flapper. It's that rubber piece at the bottom of the tank that lifts when you flush and then seals shut. Over time, it can get all crusty or warped, so cleaning the area where it rests is key. Grab some fine sandpaper and gently smooth the flush valve seat so the flapper can seal properly. If it still won't stop running after cleaning, replacing the flapper is usually a quick fix. While you're at it, swapping out the fill valve is smart too, since the float part inside can wear out and cause water to keep running. Before you yank the old flapper out, snap a pic with your phone so you get the right replacement. Flappers come in different shapes and sizes. When installing new parts, make sure everything's snug but not forced to avoid leaks. Give the handle and chain a quick look too. Sometimes the chain is too tight or tangled and keeps the flapper from closing fully. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a constantly running toilet is ignoring buildup on the flush valve seat, which stops the flapper from sealing right. Cleaning with sandpaper fixes this easily. Another common issue is just changing one part without checking the fill valve float. A bad float means water keeps flowing no matter what, so swapping both parts together saves headaches. Last, folks often forget to check the chain length between the flush handle and flapper. It should have just a little slack. Too tight or too loose messes up how the flapper closes, so adjusting that chain can stop running water instantly. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy to find trusted local contractors for bathroom repairs or any home projects you need done, giving you peace of mind. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get quality leads from homeowners who are ready to hire.